as a movie buff, I've spent decades binge watching my favorite shows. And I must say that the absence of Maria LaGuerta in the premiere episode of Dexter Original Sin left me scratching my head. The omission is particularly puzzling given her significant role in the original series and the fact that Vince Masuka, Angel Batista, and even Debra Morgan make their first appearances in this prequel. In the prequel series titled Dexter Original Sin, created by Clyde Phillips, we find that it delves into the story of a post-college Dexter correct. This younger version of our favorite character is grappling with his dark passenger, which he manages through the tutelage and wisdom imparted by his adoptive father, Harry. The series shows how Dexter follows Harry's code to channel his violent impulses without being discovered. In the year 2021, Michael C. Hall once again stepped into the shoes of the captivating serial killer vigilante, Dexter, in the series Dexter New Blood. Now he's back, this time as Dexter's inner voice and narrator for a prequel series called Dexter Resurrection, set to premiere in Miami during 1991. This new series finds Dexter starting his career at the Miami Metro PD. Maria LaGuerta, one of the original cast members, is conspicuously absent from the first episode of Dexter Original Sin. Interestingly, she's the only returning character who is expected to appear in the prequel series, but doesn't make an appearance in the premiere of, however, characters like Vince Masuka and Angel Batista debut in the initial scenes of the pilot episode. Debra Morgan, Harry Morgan, and Dexter Morgan, portrayed by Patrick Gibson, also make their introductions at the start of the series. In the current state of the series, it seems that Maria LaGuerta hasn't joined Miami Metro Police Department yet. Given her extensive knowledge about Dexter and Deb's tragic actions to shield her brother in the original storyline, it's likely that we'll see a detailed introduction for her character in an upcoming episode. There's curiosity about how she might interact with Dexter in the prequel series because of her flirtatious behavior towards him during season 1 of the original show. When will LaGuerta be hired at Miami Metro in Dexter Original Sin, season 1? She may come on to help find a serial killer. In the series Dexter Original Sin, it doesn't fully capture the familiar atmosphere of the Miami Metro Homicide Office from the original show until LaGuerta appears in a later episode. It's plausible that LaGuerta will appear to supervise the pursuit of a serial killer, a case that Dexter is likely to take on himself once the season-long antagonist is introduced in Original Sin. Since LaGuerta is a confirmed character in Dexter Original Sin, and characters like Sergeant Dokes are not, it's just a matter of time before we see her again. So when will Maria LaGuerta finally make her appearance in Dexter Original Sin? That only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. Her absence has left fans like me eagerly anticipating her return. And on that note, I'll leave you with a little joke. Why did the serial killer bring a ladder to the party? Because he heard the drinks were on the house. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time,